Wanted to make a quick video to explain to you how to potentially service your hot tub to diagnose where the problem is. First thing you need to do is take off the corners, screws there on each side to get the front panel off. The front panel is the side right below your control panel. And then remove the screws along the front panel and you remove that whole area. You have to pull out a bat of insulation. It's a blue bat that'll go around and there may be a white layer in front of that. And you'll get in the area and we'll be able to see inside the front of the hot tub. Got a pump right there. We got a circuit board over here. And this is where really all of your work's going to be. It's going to cover on it like that. You're going to pull that cover off of there. And this is where we're going to kind of go to the next steps. Obviously, it's going to be tough to see super well inside this area, but we got different components. You can see a component may say pump 1. You have pump number 2. What we're going to basically do on here to figure out what the problem is at first step is we're going to take out, make sure you figure out the spot, but you're going to unplug pump 1 from that circuit board. After that point, you're going to go ahead and try to turn that breaker on. If that tub starts up with pump 1 unplugged, we know pump 1 is the problem. If it doesn't start up, plug pump 1 back in. Do one step at a time. The next step we're going to do is unplug pump number 2. Turn the power back on. If the tub starts up, then we know the pump 2 is the problem. The last step to do after both those don't work is the last one is the heater. This is your heater right here. Again, all these things you need to be have the power off before you do it, but you're going to unplug this heater bracket and pull that out. That's going to disable the heater from the circuit board. If you power it up, the tub starts up, we know the heater's the problem. Those are the 3 most common things, pump 1, pump 2, or the heater on the tub. Your one other possibility is you have a UV system. After we isolate what the problem is, we then can shut the power or water off to the tub, which is a spot right there. There's also another slice valves to these other sides here, and that'll shut the water off. You can slowly open up this half union fitting, let the water drain out of these pipes and plumbing, and be able to replace this heater if you feel comfortable. Or it may be a pump, where you'd be, again, undoing the half union fitting, shutting the water off, unbolting the pump from the bottom, and then following the wire that goes all the way around into that circuit board, which on this tub here is in pump number 1. Hope this makes some sense and kind of give you the details there. If this is something that you can handle, just let us know. Obviously, we'll keep you on the schedule, but if you can get it out this week, we hopefully can get this tub operating right away for you. Thanks a lot.